Prob- My name is Shivashankar, Probability Theory and Stochastic Process. My number is 24BQ180457. I am telling about Sunnah. I am telling about the Sunnah of conditional probability. What is conditional probability? Conditional probability is the probability of an event occurring the given another event at already occurred, and the mathematically represented as P of B by A. P of A intersection B by P of A, where P of B by A is probability of B happening given in the happened. P of A intersection B is equal to probability of A and B happening together. P of A is called as probability of A. Next example. Let us say event A is a person likes tea. Let event B a person like coffee, and from survey of number of people. And next example, 30 people like both tea and coffee. P of A intersection B is equal to 30 by 100 equal to 0.30. Next, 50 people are like coffee. P of B is equal to 50 by 100 equal to 0.50. Now here we want to find the probability of that a person likes tea given by already like coffee. The formula is P of A by B is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B is equal to 0.30 by 0.50 equal to 0.60. Someone is known as like coffee. There is 60% chance that like tea. Next one. Next, we discuss about probability of A given by B. A given by B is P of A by B. P of A by B means P of A intersection B by P of B. If P of B greater than 0, what is the probability of that A happens, assuming B has already happened? And probability of P of B given by is P of B by A is equal to P of A intersection B by P of A. If P of A greater than 0, what is the probability? Is that B happening, assuming has already A happened? That. Next one. There is a, playing cards. There are 52 of playing cards. There are black, red. 26 black cards, 26 red cards. And in 26 black cards, we have 13 spades, 13 clubs. In 13 spades have Ace card, King card, Queen, Jack, 2 to 10 numbers. And the 13 clubs are have Ace, King, Queen, Jack, and 222 numbers, 22 to 10 numbers. And we have 26 red cards and 13 diamonds, 13 hearts. Diamonds are Ace, King, Queen, Jack, and 2 to 10 numbers. And 13 hearts are Ace, King, Queen, Jack, 2 to 10 numbers. And there are three face cards. There are King, Queen, Jack. Okay, na? Next line. This is the represent of the playing cards. Next, in a deck of 52 cards, what is the probability of drawing a king given that the card drawn in a face card? Jack, Queen, or King? Again, repeating condition. In a deck of 52 cards, what is the probability of drawing a king given that the card drawn is a face card, Jack, or King? Next, example 1. The total probability of face cards in a deck is 12. There are 4 jacks, 4 queens, and 4 kings. The total probability of face cards in a deck is 12, 12. 4 jacks, 4 queens, and 4 kings. The total number of kings are 4. The total number of queens are 4. The total number of jacks are 4. We want to find the conditional probability of king. P of king by face card. Apply conditional probability formula. P of king by face card is equal to P of king intersection face card by P of face card equal to total face cards are 4 by total number of cards are 52 by face card. Face cards are 12 by 52 is equal to 4 by 12, and then cancel 1 by 3 will come. Thus the probability of the drawing king in the given card is face card is 1 by 3. Example 2. In a class, 30% of students fail in the physics, 25% are failed in the mathematics, and 15% fails are both physics and mathematics. If a student selected at a random failed in the mathematics, find the probability of the failed in the physical also. I can repeat, in a class, 30% of the students fail in physics, 25% of fail in mathematics, and 15% are failed in both physics and mathematics. If a both students are selected a random variable in the mathematics, find the probability that he failed in the physics also. Then solve. Let A be the let A be event failed in physics. A and B. Event is a mathematics with P of A by B. It is given at P of A is equal to 300 by 100 and P of B is equal to 25 by 100. And we given P of A intersection B 300 by 100 and 25 by 100 equal to 15 by 100. Therefore, P of A by B is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. Formula is P of A by B is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. Let's we find 15 by 100 by 25 by 100. 100 get cancelled. 15 by 25. 5 1 5 3 is 5 5 is 3 by 5 is the answer. Next, applications of the conditional probability. Applications are medical field, medical field, medical field, and the other examples of and they have joint probability. We discussed joint probability. Why we use the joint probability? To understand the relation between two events. Suppose A and B are two events. They have two relationships. It is called as joint probability. To calculate the combined outcomes, to solve the problems, statistics, machine learning, risk analysis, etc. It is the foundation of the concepts like conditional probability, Bayes theorem, and the probability distribution tables. Again, repeating, it's the foundation of the concepts like conditional probability, Bayes theorem, probability distribution tables, multiplication theorem, total probability theorem, and the probability density tables. Next, next, definition of the joint probability. Joint probability refers to the probability of two or more events happening together at the same time. The same time, the two or more events, suppose A and B are two events that happening the together at the same time, is called a joint probability. The joint probability of a two events A and B are denoted as the P of A intersection B or P of A and B is the probability of the both event occurring simultaneously. The joint probability is a event A and B denoted of the P of A and P. Joint probability is denoted as the P of A intersection B or P of A and B in the probability that the both events occur simultaneously. Next, that is the joint probability is mathematically represented as P of A intersection B equal to probability that both A and B mathematically represented as P of A intersection B is equal to probability that A and B. Next, if event A and B are mutually exhaustive or exclusive if they are together, the total probability of either A and B are happening, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. If mutually exclusive events are the total probability of A and B are P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection P. This is the formula of the double counting overlapping of both A and B occurs. From this, you isolate the joint probability. From this, you can isolate the joint probability. And P of A intersection B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. Next. Example. Suppose we need to calculate the likelihood drawing of two horses consecutively from the standard deck of the 52 cards. When we do not replace the cards, initially the deck contains of the four horses. So likelihood of drawing an horse on the first draw. 4 by 52 or 1 by 13. If we draw an ace A1, only 3 aces and the 51 cards are remain in a deck. Consequently, the conditional probability of drawing an ace event A2 is 3 by 51. Solve the problem. Even using the general multiplication rule, we can find the joint probability of the drawing two aces in a row. Suppose we have A1 and A2 are the true probabilities of aces. P of A1 intersection A2 is equal to P of A1 into P of A2 by A1. We find the P of A1. P of A1 means 4 aces, total number of cards are 52. 4 by 52 is equal to 1 by 30. Next, we find the P of A2 by A1. P of A2 by A1 is equal to total cards are 3. Total number of cards are 51. 1 by 3 by 51. Next, P of A1 intersection A2 is equal to P of A1 plus P of A2 by A1 is equal to there are 1 by 3 into 3 by 51. The total probability is 3 by 663 is equal to 1 by 221. So the joint probability of drawing a two aces in a row is row of probability is 1 by 221 or 0.045. Next. Applications of the joint probability. Risk evaluation in a finance insurance of the joint probability help us to combine the risk of multiple financial instrument facing the lot of same timing, aiding in the better risk of the management in the investment of designs. The quality of the manufacturing. Business can be used the probability to determine the likelihood multiple products of the defects or processing the issue occurring the together allowing the predictive quality of the improvement